Right. Can't do brake pipes. That's over there drying. I'm gonna attempt this. I don't have the white paint. I have black and I have silver. So it might just be black just now. And then I'll see if I can get white Tetrasil or Stone Guard. It don't need to be perfect, it's under the door, but it could well be. Because if I don't do this now, it's going to get way worse. Hello. All I'm going to do is take a big few globs of paint, primer, snap, and dump it in there, and it'll find its way down into the groove where it's rusted. Just kind of cover myself with that. Doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to not rust. Just now. Fill that if you want to or not. It's not going to be perfect, but she's not that bad of one. It's not like I welded a whole sill onto it. Alright, day 2. Think I'm not too bad. I'm going to throw some black paint on it just now. And then maybe white Stone Guard. Probably not, maybe proper white metal paint. But I would be doing that side. But the door's locked. Never mind that. Nothing. You'll have to figure that out now. Don't ask me, because I don't know. Right. This. Bad side. It's not terrible, but then you got that. And I don't know what to fill that with. It should probably be welded, but getting in there, grind it down, see how I get on. But then this lip here, somebody's jacked up by this lip and there ain't a lip there no more. So I don't know if I have to pry that down. Try and pry it down, flatten out, but if I do that, there ain't going to be that much left of it. You don't want the dirt sitting in there to gather up and then it falls off anyway. But all I can really do, try and jam the screwdriver. I don't want to weld a new panel onto here. There's not that much risk. There's not that much risk of fire, but yeah, I wouldn't want to chance welding a whole sill line onto the thing. It's not what I want to do with my Sunday. But it's amazing, just not for 22 years old. She's not bad. But wash the underside of your car every time. Like, don't care. Winter, don't drive this thing in winter. If you're not going to wash it, don't drive it. See, I'm guilty of that because I never figured out that's where you're supposed to jack it up. I would have never believed it if you told me. And like, clearly somebody else didn't either. But somebody else wouldn't. The joys, time to get to it. That's 10. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. 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 It's bad. It's really bad. This is a chisel. Do not leave the angle grinder plugged in at your feet. Ow! Oh no, that's 10. That's bad. But that has to come out. Ugh, focus. That lip has to get cleaned up a bit. There's no way I can weld. Interrupting chicken. There's no way I can weld to that. I need to make a line. Do a line here. God almighty. Yeah. Alright, let's give it pretty good. If that wasn't in the way, that'll have to come off. Because I will set it on fire. And that's the hole. Yeah. Yep. Always make a template. It's way easier, even if it's just a square. And I reckon I'm just going to put a rectangle in, because it's going to be down here. Make a template, cut it from the steel, maybe a right angle bend. I was thinking about putting it on this edge, but then it would probably be better if it was this edge, and then, oh, down to my camera, down here. There's many ways. It could be welded to anything as long as the metal's clean. Doesn't matter what it looks like, because nobody's going to see it down here. Well, it doesn't matter what that looks like, because it's covered. This side looks like because it's covered up by the door. But see how we get on. Excuse you. Bloody vultures, man. Christ, this is what we're up to. So, always use a needler first. That there, I need to put an L shape on the inside. I need to put a belt here. I need to put a belt here and here. It's a waking nightmare of welding. I think I can just fill that with weld maybe, but it's pretty solid, but I should probably rust converter it. And that's pretty bad. That needs done. My last ghastly weld, I don't know if you can see it. Not good, but yep. Right, just before I thought I was getting there, this ghastly weld here is mine, this ghastly weld here is mine. Thought I was getting there, and thought I was just going to have to do a little bit there, but it turns out I'm going to have to put in another patch, like an L-shaped patch on the inside. That's been rust converted, so that's not going to come to anything, hopefully. Hopefully I can just cover it in paint. Don't buy a cheap Daihatsu Hjet off somebody you know, because this is how it'll turn out. But all that black goodness is converted rust. And it only took me 2 days. But I got them. Yeah. Yeah, pretty ghastly. I'll do my best to sort of sand it down, grind it down a little bit, get it down a bit evenly, maybe do patch some more little welds here and there, and then just fill it. Doesn't matter what it looks like, it's going to be me driving it. Seeing missing a bit. What? That's the good side. Rain's coming back on again. Not terrible, but not great. It'd be great if you couldn't see that I was over there, but I'm not that talented. Yeah, and the paint doesn't quite match, but I'll do just now.